Shit, man. Still going at it, man. Hmong crimes. That's right. Man, it's got some millennium already, baby. We gon' get the fuck together, rise on up, baby. That's all we gon' do it. We gon' form a fist, baby.
To all my Hmong people that be going through the struggles, we gotta hustle up in this game. Ain't that a shame? Put away your rap and your anger and feel what I feel. This shit is real, but it's time to shine. What's up with my Hmong people? Where you at? Cause it's time for us to rise up, unleash our talents and show the whole world what we made of. Equality of nature will help our people survive. Let the doubters see belief when they look into our eyes. The silence among us causes us to be weak. Yo, but fuck that shit, cause I feel it in my mind speak. And I'm stressing and yelling, cause this will be breaking me down. Deep inside my blood rush, showing my cousin some love. To all my Hmong people, you guys get so go and do what you like. I'm representing cause I'm loving the mic. It just takes one step, who don't behind and follow. Now let me hear all my Hmong people holler, because I'm calling and I'm gon' represent. But too many of your Hmongs out there be too hesitant. But it's cool though, just give the people what they want, because you know it's hard to rise up. Yo, what's up? You feel this?
I get my click, you get your click, and hopefully we click. So let's okay, we can't do this shit. It's time for war. You're ready for more bloody gore. Feel the wrath in my mouth, thugs roar. I get my click, you get your click, and hopefully we click. So let's okay, we can't do this shit. It's time for war. You're ready for more bloody gore. Feel the wrath in my mouth, thugs roar.
Chỉ có một vài để biết bầu cái hay đi. Tu sẽ cú bị đè biết bờ biết nó tao khi đu sát từ điện, sẽ sao để mình khó